YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy NateJustDope back in the video. JD Nation was down with it, man. Hey, look, bro. Yes, sir. We at 4 months, man. But before this video gets started, man, I want to let you guys know. Hopefully, y'all won't be mad, but I feel like this is like the best decision that I can make for this channel. I'm actually moving my lock content to a different channel. You know what I'm saying? But that doesn't mean that I won't be posting on this channel. I still be posting like my lock journey stuff on this channel, but it's gonna be like smaller versions of the actual video that I'm gonna post on my lock channel. So hopefully that makes sense, man. But I just want to make this quick little intro for y'all before this video gets started. So it won't be the full video, the full length video of my 4-month journey video, you know what I'm saying? So y'all gotta go check out the full version on my NateJustLocd channel, you know what I'm saying? So I just want to make that quick little disclaimer for this video before y'all think, hey, this video is a little short. That's because the actual video, the full length video, is on that NateJustLocd channel. Just to separate the content, because I feel like this channel is more so like for my natural hair community and stuff like that. If y'all still want to go back and watch those videos, y'all can, but this is just to branch off to something new, you feel me? So that's why I'm making this video, or this intro for this video right now, so y'all can go over, for all my lock people that started on this channel, y'all can go over there to see my full length lock journey content, man. So that's it, I'm done now. So y'all go and enjoy the rest of the short version of my 4-month journey video. But if y'all want to check out that full length one, y'all gotta go to my NateJustLocd channel. So yeah, man, that's it. Alright, YouTube, so I am back at the crib and we got the final product, man. Here we go, here we go. This is 4 months. It's crazy how fast 4 months has went by, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Now I forgot to do like my 3-month update, so that's why y'all haven't seen it. But yeah, bro, needless to say, man, during that 2 to 3 month time period, you feel me, you can definitely tell that my hair is starting to like come together, as you can see. During that time, I just kept it in the 2-strand twist, like the rope twist and stuff like that. And yeah, I took the twist down. Was it Sunday? No, Monday. No, what's today? Today is Tuesday. So yesterday morning, Monday morning, I took them down Monday morning, yesterday morning, you feel me? And this is how they looking, bro. This is how they looking, man. You can definitely tell they are starting to come together, man. Like right here is definitely, it feels like it's like locked in, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, so yeah, bro. Feel me? Feel me? Yes, sir. I'm going to show y'all the back real quick. Hope y'all can see that. My frame. Think so. I hope so. You know what I'm saying? See some of the parts. You feel me? Where they at? They like right here. So yeah. Yeah, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. I'm definitely happy about the decision that I made about locking my hair, bro. Yeah, man. Ooh, that looks so clean, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, bro. Hey, man. So what I did during during month, but 2 to 3, 3 to 4, in that time span, where I didn't make any content or nothing like that. Like I ain't make no IG posts or nothing like that for my 3 months. I just totally forgot, you feel me? But what I've been doing is just basically the same thing that I started off with, just basically misting my hair, spraying it with that peppermint mist, then using the, what's that, the tea tree oil, and then the rosemary oil to like oil my scalp every like 2 to 3 days, you feel me? I need to buy some more B12 vitamins. I ran out, so I need to go ahead and buy me some more of that. That's pretty much it, bro. I haven't really been doing anything special, you know what I'm saying? Every single morning I just mist my hair and then like oil my scalp. My first time washing my hair, well, yeah, I didn't wash my hair since my 2 months. So yeah, after my 2-month retwist, I didn't wash my hair. I just recently washed my hair this past Sunday, so I just been letting my hair do its thing, bro. I haven't been trying to like touch it a lot or nothing like that. I've just been letting it do its thing, bro. So yeah, man, that is pretty much it. I didn't want to make this no long video. My camera about to die anyway, so gotta go ahead and cut it short. You feel me? But yeah, bro, that is pretty much it. So yeah, welcome to NateJustLocd. I gotta get used to saying that, NateJustLocd. I'm gonna still post like a little bit of this. I'm probably post like a little small like clip or a shorter clip on my NateJustDope channel so they can have some content over there too. But I'm gonna have them come over here, you know what I'm saying? So I know how to work the channels, bro. Like I've been doing this for, like I said, or not like I said said this on my other channel, but I got so many channels, bro. But I've been doing this for dang near 11, 12 years, bro. So yeah, man. But that being said, if you're new, you like what you see, go down and hit the subscribe button. And once you do that, hit the bell so y'all can be notified when I drop new videos, because they will drop randomly. Subscribe to my other YouTube channels. I can't say other 2 YouTube channels no more because I got more than 2. But subscribe to my other channels. They'll be in the description below, man. NateJustDope, Life with Nate, Nate's Closet. I'm thinking about starting another channel for my like sneakers and stuff like that. But just be on the lookout for all that stuff, man. But yeah, follow, subscribe to all those in the comments down below or in the description down below, man. But yes, bro, that is pretty much it. So give me some ideas that y'all want to see me do as far as this channel goes. I'm just letting this channel do what it do, man. I'm just letting this channel do what it do. By the time y'all see this video though, it's gonna be past my 4 months. It's gonna be like a couple of, or like a week after my actual 4-month lock journey anniversary. You feel me? Whatever the case may be, man. So yeah, just know y'all know ahead of time. Today is November 21st. So by the time y'all see this, I low-key may go ahead and post this on my birthday, November 28th. So if y'all watching this on November 28th, shout out to y'all. But yeah, bro, that's pretty much it. So now with that being said, it's your boy NateJustDope signing out. Deuces.